Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be entitled to if you've suffered an ankle injury, if you've been involved in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Ankle injuries can be not only painful, but can also restrict mobility. So it's important that when they're sustained, that we deal with them correctly. But if you've sustained an ankle injury in an accident that was down to the negligence of others, you may be entitled to compensation. If you're wondering, how much for a fractured ankle? I'm now going to take a look at ankle injury settlement amounts in the UK, but it's important that you bear in mind that these figures that I'll be looking at will be for your injuries only and do not cover any additional amounts of compensation for things like loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you may incur because of the accident. An example of this would be in this case study, where a 70-year-old man suffered a fractured right ankle injury following a fall from a ladder at work. He received a £75,000 payout. Now, let's take a look at the table.
In front of us, we have the table for ankle injury compensation claim amounts, and for very severe ankle injuries, you could expect to receive anything from £39,910 right the way up to £55,560. For severe ankle injuries, you could expect to receive anything from £24,950 right the way up to £39,910. For moderate ankle injuries, you could expect to receive anything from £10,960 right the way up to £21,200. For modest ankle injuries, you could expect to receive anything up to £10,960. And there is, of course, much greater information in each category on the table in front of you right now. So if you want to check that out, do pause the video and have a little look at that.
I'd like to once again emphasise that these figures are for your injuries only and do not include the compensation from any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of just how much compensation you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in ankle injuries. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. Now, you can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our ankle injury compensation calculator to give you a fuller idea of just how much you may be entitled to. Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.